Hello, my Taurus Gemini cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 2026 will be for you. If you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. So, without further ado, let's begin with the reading. Usually, I upload in as weekly, like first 10 days and the next. But this time, I thought just let's get more crisp in the reading and let's see the month, however the month is trying to guide you. So, angels and spirit guides, please help us in finding out how this month would be for my cusp babies. Okay, and I wonder why is it taking so much time. Is it that you're thinking, or okay, I'll just take a chunk now, or that excitement, or what is it? Angels and spirit guides, thank you, thank you. Let's take this. Okay, so and the theme would be the master. You're the master of your life, darlings. Okay, your higher self is trying to give you the guidance. You have a, it's like your experience is something that you should be counting on. Okay, you could be somebody who could be using your logical brain, but again, universe is trying to say, listen to us, we are trying to tell you something. Maybe you're ignoring that. Okay, I'm really sorry for that glare, I have no idea. Okay, so let's see what are the other cards trying to guide you. We have rebirth, guidance, isolation, creativity, celebration, tower, and possibilities. Okay, so what is it that it is trying to say? You have been through a lot of heartaches in the previous 3 months, okay, or maybe in this month also. If you've not been, I'm not scaring you, there could be heartache coming up. Okay, there is a sudden shakeup. Thunderbolt is trying to say a sudden shakeup coming in, but you are such a strong person that you will get up, you will fight for it. The only thing that could be is you will be trying to figure out why is it happening. Okay, why did such an incident happen when everything was so good? Then why? Okay, now remember, universe is trying to say, just put that question why in the universe and start focusing back on your track. I'm so sorry, I just felt like I got choked up. So it's just that you will get the answer. Okay, just leave that question in the universe, why did it happen, whether it happened for my betterment or whatsoever. Thank you for helping me to sail out of that situation or through that person or whatsoever. But I just need to figure out why it happened. Just help me and let go of it. Okay, let go. Once you put that question in the universe, you will gain clarity. You will find the answer. Okay, because that is what the guidance is trying to say. Because if you see, we have the angels. Okay, I don't know why that blurry thing is happening. Okay, so you have the angels who will definitely guide you, who will tell you as to why things are happening. They will show you. Okay, now remember, whatever shakeup is happening, it is happening mandatory. Okay, it is a temporary phase. Your base is strong, so you don't have to worry. Just gather the courage. Okay, you have your friends who are there to support you. Celebration times are coming in, so you will travel. Good news is coming up. Remember, you can come out of it even if you feel things have not gone in your favor. Your experience is something that you should be counting on. Look at from a higher perspective, success will embrace. Work on your creative side, maybe that is where you have been lacking. Stable connections are coming up, so do not worry. Remember, a teamwork will bring in your dream work. So whatever you want this month, you will achieve. Okay, so good things are coming towards you, darlings. But I think you just need to focus on learning from the mistakes and going ahead. Rest, you don't have to worry. Finance will come to you. Emotionally, you will be happy. Everything seems to be working. Okay, now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month? Angel spirit guidance for my dealings for this month. Okay. Oh, see what a beautiful synchronicity we have. We have creative project and creativity. Okay, so your creativity is something you should be focusing on, because that's where success is coming. There is an additional income also coming your way. So learn something new. You might meet new people, like-minded people, and things might start working in your favor. Okay, so yeah, there is a hidden talent. If you think something is bothering you, probably learning a new instrument or singing or a mandala or whatever, that will help you in finding peace, is what it's trying to say. Now let's come to your love life. Let's see what is it that it wishes to tell you. Angels and spirit guides, how is this month going to be for my darlings? Okay, so so sorry, we've got two, and we have the, I'm so sorry. Okay, we have the Grim Reaper and the Dragonfly, okay, which is trying to say somebody is not showing their true colors, and maybe that is something that could be bothering you, okay. But remember, whenever you want to figure out, just keep repeating the word truth in your mind. The reality will come in. And again, we have the butterfly, so your relationship is transforming. You don't have to worry. Learn to put boundaries whenever you feel things are hurting, because at the end of the day, probably that is where you will realize the true colors. Okay, you need to stay calm and allow universe to guide you. Have faith. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides. Okay, and we have mature man. Okay, so there is somebody, again we have the number 5, which is trying to denote that somebody who is of a hierarchy, or this person could be like your father, uncle, or a senior person, okay, or your grandparent also, who could show you. This person is extremely knowledgeable, carries immense maturity when it comes to life. This person will give you the correct guidance, okay, when it comes on your work profile or in generic. So please have faith. Keep your eyes and ears open. Okay. So now, how do I sum up this month? Whatever shakeup is happening towards you in this upcoming month, allow it to happen. Okay, because it is mandatory. It's part and parcel of life. And remember, it's a temporary phase. Only you can help yourself. And remember to get up, because you have that thing in you. So I don't see there is any reason that you should be doubting. Even if you come to a zero, a ground zero, you will still go to number 10, because you are blessed with creativity. You have your friends. There are celebration moments coming up. You have a life experience that you know you have been through, and your angels are definitely supporting you. So money flow is coming in, you are traveling, everything seems to be coming up. But whenever the shakeup happens, unknowingly or knowingly, stay calm from within. Okay, allow, accept, and release. Things will work in your favor. Your angels are asking you to get into your creative side, enroll in some creative project, because that's where you will feel in a much better space. At the matters of heart, there is somebody who's not showing your true colors. So whenever you feel you want to figure out, just keep chanting the word truth, okay, in your headspace. And probably you will get to know what the reality is trying to tell you. Avoid giving second chances if you think this person has taken advantage, because if a relationship is over, darling, it is meant to be over. Your relationship will only enhance, okay, because I think you need to work on yourself and have a conversation. Just that's the reason I said you need to be adaptive. You need to change and understand everybody has a free will. A mature soul is coming in your life who will be a shining guiding star to you in this month. Keep your eyes and ears open. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. Let me know in the comment sections if it has resonated, and if it has not, no worries. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.